Guys, to do this project, you're going to click the Make a Copy button. Make sure to press it only one time so that you only make one copy that will go into your Google Drive. After you've made a copy, the first thing you're going to do is change the file name. Always come up to the file name section, erase copy of, and if you'd like, you can write your name so that you know this is the copy that you're editing. Now, for this project, we're going to make a page that tells all about who you are as a person. We're going to use word art and text boxes to enter different kinds of text, different colors, different fonts, and different sizes, using words that describe who you are. For starters, you're going to pick your color of your background. So come up to the layout button and click on layout and then choose if you like pink or purple or blue. You can choose whatever color you'd like. I'm going to pick pink. Now we're going to be putting in words that describe you. So you have two choices. You may use word art or a text box. So to do word art, you'll come up here to the insert menu and you'll say, I'm going to insert word art. Type in the word that you'd like to use to describe yourself. I'm going to say, I'm smart. Now, once you have the word, you can make some changes to it. For starters, fill in the color of the inside of the word. You could also fill in a border color if you'd like it to be different. You can make the border a little thicker so that you can see the border better. You can also change the font type. And if you want to change the size, you're going to grab the little blue boxes and shrink it like that. Now the words can turn by clicking the blue little dot at the top, and then I can drag it to where I want it to be. So you're going to go ahead and continue doing this. Now, a little shortcut is if I right click and copy, and then right click and paste. Now I have another word, which I'm going to put over here on this side, but I'm going to turn it the other way. I'm going to double click the word to change it. Let's say I am outgoing. Okay, that's a little big, so I'm going to make that smaller. And I'm going to change the color because I'm going to have different color words all over the page. All right. I might even change the font to have kind of a variety of fonts. All right. I can copy and paste again. Another shortcut is if I duplicate the word. So if I Control D on my keyboard, it makes a duplicate. Control D for duplicate. Duplicate is a copy. So now I'm going to turn this one. I'm going to double click to change this word and say I am friendly. All right, then I'm going to choose a different color. Now, if you'd like to choose a custom color, you come down here to custom. You can change your hue and then change your different levels of that hue. I'm going to pick that one for kind of a purpley pink. All right, so then I'm going to put this one kind of straight and I'll change that font again to something different. Let's try Luckiest Guy. All right, so you can go on continuing to duplicate your words just to save you some time. And writing in words. I'm going to write techie. Change that color. And change that font. Rotate that a little bit. Okay, and I'll keep doing that until my board is full. Now, the other option is, instead of word art, you could use a text box. Now, if you do a text box, you're going to type the word first. So you might want to, change your font size right away to something bigger, maybe 36. We'll see how that goes. I'm going to do 36. And let's say I am a mom. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight that word. I go to the text color right here under the A to change the color of the font. I would then make it maybe bold to make it stand out a little more. I can center align it to go in the center of my box. And maybe I'll change that font as well to something a little with a little more character. Let's do this bungee shade. Now, when you do a text box to add some more color, you could fill the text box in with a fill color. So let me see something that goes well with that purple that I've chosen, maybe this light lavender or a little darker. There we go. So then you would have text boxes filling your space. So you could do it this way, and those can turn the same way that word art can turn. So I'll leave it up to you if you decide to do text boxes or word art. Either way, it's a pretty cool look. Um, but you can make changes to either of those things to kind of give it some character. So you'll just fill in words. If you'd like to add pictures to your project, you're going to click on the little insert image picture and you'll say, I want to search the web. And maybe I would find something that represents me, maybe a picture of a computer. I like to look for kind of cartoony looking pictures. So I might say computer clip art, and then it will look a little bit more cartoony. There's a good one. I could put in a picture of a computer because that describes me. You could put in other things that you love, like animals or sports or activities, whatever you'd like. But you're going to fill the I with anything that describes you, words or images. So I am, and then all of these things describe you. I am smart. I am outgoing. I am friendly. I am techie. I am a mom. And then I've got my little computer there. And I would fill that whole I up to its fullest. And that is your I Am project. Have fun. See you guys soon.